Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you useful tips and insights for a clean and healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to shed light on something we often overlook: the impact of not cleaning our TV and other remote controls. We'll also share some simple cleaning techniques and guide you on how often you should clean these devices. So, let's dive in and discover the importance of keeping our entertainment centers clean. Impact of not cleaning. Did you know that neglecting to clean your TV and remote controls can have various negative effects? Dust and grime buildup not only diminish the viewing experience but can also impact the performance and longevity of your devices. Cleaning techniques. Now that we understand the consequences, let's move on to some effective cleaning techniques for your TV and remote controls. First and foremost, always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific cleaning recommendations. In general, you can start by using a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth to gently wipe the surfaces of your devices. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the screens or buttons. TV screen cleaning. When cleaning the TV screen, it's essential to use a screen-specific cleaner or a homemade solution of distilled water and mild soap. Spray the solution onto the cloth, rather than directly on the screen, to prevent moisture from seeping into sensitive areas. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion, removing any smudges or fingerprints. Remember to be gentle and avoid applying excessive pressure. Remote control cleaning. Now, let's turn our attention to the often neglected remote controls. Start by removing the batteries and set them aside. Using a slightly damp cloth or disinfectant wipe, carefully clean the buttons, ensuring not to let any liquid seep inside. Pay attention to the crevices and edges where dust tends to accumulate. Once cleaned, let the remote control air dry completely before reinserting the batteries. How often to clean? So, how frequently should we clean our TV and remote controls? It depends on various factors, such as usage, environment, and personal preference. As a general guideline, aim to clean these devices at least once a month. However, if you have a household with young children, pets, or live in a dusty environment, more frequent cleaning may be necessary. And there you have it, insights into the impact of neglecting to clean your TV and remote controls, along with some practical cleaning techniques and a recommended cleaning frequency. By giving these devices the attention they deserve, you can enhance your viewing experience, prolong their lifespan, and create a healthier environment for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips on maintaining a clean and healthy lifestyle. Until next time, take care and happy cleaning.